straight from the Wing Chun. What I mean by bridging, by the way. So from here, I attack. He might not do anything. Make the hit. That's cool. He picks it up. Boom. Makes the hit. Picks it up with some life in the hand. Boom. Make the hit. Picks it up on the inside versus the outside. Make the hit. Another one, he picks it up. Punches me in the mouth. Let it go by. Make the hit. First attack. So basically what we're talking about for those that may or may not understand. If he picks up my attack and I don't feel an opening to get through, okay, I can either paksao or I can jutsao. If he picks it up on the inside, I can paksao or I can jutsao. Or if he punches me in the face instead, I can let it go by. Does that make sense?